My student wrote a paragraph. No grammar mistakes, formatting is fine, structure is wonderful, yet he scores 6 out of 10. Why? What is missing in his paragraph? If you're planning to take IELTS, TOEFL, or any kind of test, you have to understand what examiners look for in your paragraph. Grammar, vocabulary, structure, and formatting of your paragraph are not enough to get a high score. So if you are taking a TOEFL test, what examiners look for when they correct your paper is this. These are the rubrics. These are the criteria that they look for when they correct your paper. One of the most important criteria is unity and coherence of your paragraph. Your paragraph has to be unified and coherent. This video is going to help you understand and write a great paragraph with unity and coherence. If you want to improve your writing skills, subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you don't miss a thing every week. Let's take a look at unity. A good paragraph should have unity. A paragraph has unity when all sentences support one single idea. How? Easy. I'm gonna give you 3 steps. If you follow these 3 steps, you will have a unified paragraph. Step 1, your paragraph should have a clear topic sentence with a controlling idea. You can look at the previous lessons. We talked about how to write a great topic sentence with a controlling idea. Step 2, your supporting sentences should explain, give examples, or facts that related to the main idea. If you don't give relevant ideas, then you will destroy the unity of your paragraph. Let me give you an example here. Look at this paragraph. This is a paragraph. One of these sentences is irrelevant, not related to the main idea. This is the topic sentence, is good. There is a controlling idea, but there is one sentence is irrelevant. Can you find where that sentence is? This sentence is about companies of tobacco, which is irrelevant. We're not talking about companies, right? So this sentence destroys your unity. So when you write a paragraph, you need to keep in mind that all supporting sentences are about one single idea. So step 3. Your concluding sentence should restate the main idea in the topic sentence. So if you write a good paragraph and the supporting sentences are all relevant to the controlling idea and a concluding sentence restates the main idea, then congratulations, your paragraph has good unity. So what about coherence? Coherence means that the relationship between the sentences inside the paragraph is clear. One idea connects to the other. How? How can I make my paragraph coherent? I'm gonna give you techniques to make your paragraph coherent. You just need to follow these techniques. Remember these techniques when you write a paragraph or any kind of piece of writing. First of all, create a good outline before you write a paragraph. Why? I explained that in the previous video. Go and watch how to create a good outline, because the outline can help you determine what ideas that you are going to use in your paragraph. Number 2, use a pattern to organize ideas, such as order of importance. Like the previous paragraph I gave you, 3 reasons that can destroy your health, that can make your life miserable. I talked about the 3 reasons. I ordered these 3 reasons according to their importance. Technique number 3, be consistent in point of view. If you are using the present tense, you stick to the present tense. Do not mix tenses. You do not mix present and past and write something. So you need to be consistent. Number 4, which is the most important thing, is use transition words such as and, also, first of all, in fact, in addition. I'm gonna give you a link in the description box so you can take a look at the most important transition words in English. If you follow these techniques, then congratulations, your paragraph is coherent. So the next lesson will be about the different types of paragraph. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.